Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text Premiere Pro. First, open your project and select the Type tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on your program monitor to create a new text layer. You can then type your desired text. The Essential Graphics panel will automatically open, allowing you to immediately begin adjusting basic properties like font and size. This is the quickest way to get text onto your video. Once your text is on screen, it's time to make it stand out. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can easily change the font, adjust its size, and pick a color that matches your video's aesthetic. Don't forget to experiment with adding a stroke for definition, a subtle shadow for depth, or even a background shape to make your text pop. These adjustments are crucial for professional-looking titles. To truly elevate your text, explore advanced techniques. You can animate text by setting keyframes for position, scale, or opacity in the Effect Controls panel, making it fly in or fade out smoothly. Consider using text as a mask to reveal underlying video footage, creating a visually striking effect. For efficiency, save your favorite text styles as motion graphics templates, ready for future projects. Maintaining a consistent look is key. Use text styles to ensure all your titles and lower thirds match your brand's aesthetic effortlessly. Keep your project panel tidy by organizing text layers into bins, making future edits much simpler. Mastering these techniques will significantly speed up your editing process. Remember to check the description below for links to great deals on smart speakers and other helpful tools to enhance your creative space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.